In this video, I'll show you how to get an invisible username on Discord. As you can see, I'm currently on Discord. If you look at the member list, my username is visible right now. To demonstrate, if I click on my profile, you can see my username displayed. To make your username invisible, you'll need to use specific characters, which I'll include in the video description. Here's what you need to do. 1. Go to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to access your user settings. 2. Under My Account, find the User Profile section and click the Edit button next to Display Name. 3. Enter the characters from the video description into the Display Name field. Remove any extra symbols, like the @ symbol at the beginning or end. Click the green Save Changes button at the bottom. Once you've done this, your Discord username will be invisible. If you exit the settings, you'll notice that your username no longer appears. When you click on your profile, your status and profile picture will still show, but your display name will be invisible. That's how to get an invisible username on Discord. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider downloading the video, leaving a like, and subscribing to the channel.